Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the Blender tutorial on how to make electric tanks. So today we're gonna make the top body part for tank, and yes, first things first, we need to add we need to shrink this a little. Done. And then we need to add a new block on the top. So I'm gonna press Shift A, and then go here and get the cube. Now I'm gonna make this go up so I can balance this up, and then I'm gonna put it about here, and I'm gonna go Shift A again, and then I'm gonna add a cone. This time this cone is gonna need to be smooth, so I'm gonna right click and then press Shade Smooth. Then I'm gonna move it back here, rotate it so it's pointed that way. And I put it back like this. I need to put it more up, more like this, and there. Next, we need to put another shape. So Shift A here, torus, and then put it up. So I'm gonna move it more this way. I'm gonna make it a little bit more bigger. So scale, and then okay, done. Now I've got to move this over here, and there. Now we need to add a second one of this. I'll just add another one. Shift A, and then I'm gonna go to torus, move this up, and then sideways, rotate, and then I'm gonna match the size. There. Next, I'm gonna add a sphere. This sphere is gonna be very this sphere is gonna be very flat and smooth. So I'm gonna do Shift A, Shade Smooth, and then I'm gonna press Scale. I'm gonna flatten this up so it's very flat. About this much, and make this a little bit wider. So I'm gonna go here and then do for this 1.67 1.167, so it's like that. Next, I'm gonna rotate it up so it's kind of pointed forward, and then I need to move it a little bit more up like that, and then so it's like this. Next, I'm gonna place it down so a little bit of it comes out, but not fully, like that. Now we've got the model, and if you want to add any extras, you can just add them. Next, I'm just gonna, now I'm running out of time, so this is the end of part 2, and see me back at part 3. Bye.